welcome back. Today we're gonna be installing the livery on the E34. It just came out of the shop, got a new head put in, a lot of work done to the car, and now I'm just getting a little bit tired of the look of the car, so we're gonna change it up, install a livery, and let's get it done. So the first piece we're gonna be focusing on is the rear lettering. A big Widepig is gonna be here. So first thing we gotta do, take a wet towel, just wipe it down, get the area clean, just remove any dust. The car's recently been washed, so that's okay. We just need to get rid of the surface dust. The first piece I'm gonna be tackling is this white lettering here. I've already set up a few tapes to help me get it into place, find out where it goes, sit it there, and then we'll see. So with the tapes in place, I'm just eyeing it up a little bit, trying to get the first one a little bit on. And the taping is just to see if I like it where it stays. Maybe I need to move it a little bit, because the measurements we took and the sizes of everything is a bit of a guesstimation, so how everything actually fits is up to me. With the first piece in place, I'm pretty happy with how it is. I think this is the place it's gonna sit. The first thing I'm gonna do is get the first letter opened up, try to get the first letter down, and then go from there. First part stuck down. Now I'm gonna reach behind here and just pull the backing paper off. Slowly go edge by edge. Try to get as much air out as we can. I see a wrinkle happening, so I'm just trying to work that out. And just like that, the first piece is mostly in place. So, with the first two pieces down, I'm just gonna remove most of it. See. Because we wanna avoid drifting too far, of course. Work it from the middle. This one got stuck. Now we're just gonna go letter by letter slowly. Get the top half first, because this has less stress points. Ma ei usu, et me täna valmis saame selle. So for the G here, it goes on the wheel arch and it wants to bend from the eye. So we're just gonna do a little relief cut here. Just like that. And then we can start working the G in here. Probably the hardest letter. With it all mounted where I think it should be, let's get the first reveal. So it's been about a week. We're back at it, trying to get the livery done. Actually, we've gone ahead and done the other side. That was on trial run, so we know what to do better on this side. Then some things happened. Almost thought we blew the engine, but turns out everything is fine. And it was just the chain guide and chain tensioner that gave out. They both exploded, took the chain with them, and luckily the valves didn't touch the pistons, so we're okay. The car runs, it's back from the shop, and I'm gonna try to finish the livery as my girlfriend is prepping the wheels because they're getting a bit nasty. So let's try to do a makeover on those two. So first off, what I'm gonna do, of course, I just wiped down the car. It's a nice sunny day. Okay, some clouds now, but it's a nice sunny day. The car is warm, should make the wrapping a little bit easier. And let's try to lay out the big livery and then the smaller one. With the livery mainly on, just held on by tape, of course. I'll get the full look. I'll get to compare the sides, see if everything matches, and then I'll start by laying the bigger one and work our way through there. Hopefully it all goes well. And that's pretty much it. I'm gonna work without the camera for the bigger piece. I'll get you back when it's all laid and see you guys then. So now that we have the livery mostly laid out, cut, I can see where the lines go, where I need to start. So we got the livery fully done, the wheels painted and everything. Here's the first look. With the wheels, we went with this chrome lip, bronze middle, and we added just an extra little bit on top. But there's a big issue and there's a reason why the car is stranded here. So if you look,
that's not supposed to be like that. So I got a Bluetooth fucking differ mount and oil plug.
so I'm gonna try to limp the car home. Ta ei jälgi mind.